I'll join in on that. I'll join in on that. Thank you. Little head nod. We're all good. What up? What up? Got a couple of things to do. Put it this way: we've got a mission, boys. We've got a quest. I need to go get this thing sorted. Right? I'm not sure if it's going to be possible. I know that there's a parts store. I'm going to go to the parts store, see if they have it. If they do, great. If they don't, then I'll just buy one on Lazada or something. If they have it, we're going to take it to a mechanic and get them to install it. If they don't have it, I'm going to go to a mechanic anyway and see if they can just change I want to change the oil and clean the carb. That's what I want to happen. She needs it. But I really want the dash fix. Also, I do have a new motorbike being delivered. Well, okay, I'm going to be careful when I say motorbike, because sometimes I say motorbike and then people are like, that's a fucking scooter. Get a fucking real bike. So, all right, it's a scooter. I bought a new fucking scooter, and I've actually done the right thing this time. And I bought one that's, it's stock and it's quiet. Of course I'd do that. I'm a big fat lion dog. It's not quiet. It's not completely stock, but I bought a scooter anyway. Like an actual scooter. It doesn't actually have gears like this one. But I know it left Bangkok yesterday, so however long it takes to be delivered to Samui from Bangkok, I'm assuming, I don't know, 2 to 4 days, something like that. Alright. It's on the right-hand side, somewhere this way. That's definitely not it. It's like a big, here we go. Is this it? Because oh, they're fucking closed. That is it. Oh no, they're open. They're open. Putting up. Do you have one of these by any chance?
What is?
This one.
You need this one?
Yeah, please. You have? Okay. Oh, how good. Yeah. The thing is, I've driven, look, bro, this place is massive. It's the first time I've ever been in here, but I've driven past a million times and I was like, if I need some parts, this has got to be it. Right? And then one time I went and got the headlight, like the headlight plastic on this replaced. And when I went to that mechanic, the guy was like, yeah, we can do it. And then he gave one of the younger guys some money. He rode off, come back with it. And I was like, I bet he went to that store. So now I'm just coming straight to the source and then taking it to the mechanic and probably still paying the same price, but whatever. I had a look online and they were ranging from like 300 to 600 baht. But I am paying for the convenience of getting it right now instead of waiting 3 days, so who knows. The thing is, I just noticed they got all these people here like putting stuff on. They might be able to do it here, but I don't know if they'll. It looks like it's going to take them a while. Take it somewhere else and they could probably do it within 10 minutes or so. Oh, nice. Ah, good, yeah.
The original part,
yeah,
350 baht.
350 baht, okay. Oh, thank you, brother.
You fit now? Only you buy?
Can you put it? You can put?
Yeah.
How long?
Put it. Now I do only 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Oh, okay. No, so I take it as like.
You take it.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Fuck it, we'll go this way. Fuck it. Ooh, had another thought. We might be able to kill 2 birds here. If I go to this other like racing mechanic that like they have a bunch of racing bikes out the front, or I don't know, I feel like they specialise in more racing bikes, not just a stock Honda Click or something. We can go there because they also have a bar next door, and I could get them to replace that plastic and also what's the word I'm looking for here? Adjust my clutch. Bingo. That's what we're going to try. I don't want to speak badly of what back there, but I don't know what that guy's problem was. Maybe he's just having a bad day. But it just felt like my presence pissed him off. Like, all right, like, mate, if they're open, please be open, please be open, please be, I beg, please be open. The lights are on at the front. Are the lights on and people home? Oh. Yeah. Let's see. Sometimes they look annoyed that you come into their business, like, oh, what, you're going to give me work to do, are you? Unbelievable. I bought a bike in here before, though. Ready, up? This one, I have new. Can you put? You can put for me? Yeah. Okay, and other one, the clutch. Clutch, yeah, I think need... If you and then hold, and it's... I think it just needs like to be adjusted a bit. Yeah. Boom. Okay, so this one getting fixed. The speedo's still not going to work, but just more content for another video. Change the oil, adjust the clutch, and I think that should be it. I mean, maybe he's got like a fucking can of old Carby Clean or something that we can just fucking... My favourite part about this shop is the fucking water pourer that's out the back there. And also there's a bar next door here. They have a pool and a sauna at this bar, right next door here. Nissa's bar, I think it's called. Nissa, I don't know. How's this thing too? Little two banger. I bought my blue bike here and I let the guy ride it, so I mean he owes me a ride on something. Wait, that pause. I'm in a motorbike. Carburetor. Can clean. Carburetor, yeah.
Clean lung.
Lung, yeah, carburetor.
Lung.
Yeah, lung. Yeah, lung. Is that what it is? The tire? Okay. Okay, bro. I'll go next door.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Don't blow it up, please. Alright, cool. I'll see you soon. How long?
Yeah, 1 hour.
1 hour? Okay. Quick look at the bar. Boom, like this. And out the back, bros, got the pool. And in there, you got the sauna. I haven't been for a swim or anything yet, but it's good to know. It's just a regular bar, too. You don't have to go down to the beach and hang with the posh people by the resort. Fuck that. Get into the bar and have a swim out the back there, bros. Alright, we're all done. I forgot to set the camera up. The mic's still working. Hello. What's up, mate? Oh, what's this? Oh, you got to wait. Show me one more time. Wait. Stop. Show me one more. Oh. Where's my bike at? Someone gone? Oh, they're going for a test ride. Okay, no worries. Okay. You test my bike, I'll test yours. Give me go on this one. Ning. 2T, huh? Okay. Boom. Oh. 510 baht. Okay. Test. Quick little test run. That's so much better, bro. Okay, thank you, brother. Alright, let me get a little extra secret out the back here. Alright, let's get out of here. I'm not gonna be able to hear me on the ride home, but I'll put some, I don't know, put some music, or I don't know, I'll just skip to when I'm having dinner with mum, I don't know. That's one bike fix though, for like literally like 20 something bucks. You can get your car washed with me. Oh, you can wash?
What bike?
Oh, the detail.
Yeah.
You there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I've actually been wanting to go there. Oh, that's so much better. Hang on. Oh, bro, that's so much better. Yes. Pressing the gear lever feels so much better. Take it. Oh, mate, everything's fucking coming up Millhouse, boys. Let's fucking go. Plenty, please. Full. Yes, please. Like, you can tell the price of bloody petrol's gone up. Now instead of like $4, it's like $6 to fill this up. Oh my god, what am I gonna do, boys? Alright, so for the rest of this video, we'll get a feed, maybe a couple of feeds. I'm kind of hungry. Bophut Food Market. Someone on Instagram literally just messaged me and said, this looks the goods. It's only like an hour and a half till they close. So there's probably see the steak and barbecue's closed, but so many things are closed. But either way, we'll get a feed somewhere in here. Maybe a couple, like I said, let's go. Very local. Pad Thai fried oysters. Oh my lord. If I like oysters, then that'll be great, but I don't. But some of you would. The market cap. I seen on the thing, some place here had bloody pies and sausage rolls. But by the look, like, it says they close at 9, but this is definitely more of a daytime situation. What's this one? Oh, this is the one with fish and chips, brother. Can I have a quick little look? Burgers, fish and chips, mushy peas, steak pudding. Beef tenderloin, I wouldn't trust that. That's a buffalo that lost the fight recently. English brekkie, fish and chips. I thought it was like a bunch of them. It's just that everything's fucking closed.
Pork pies.
Pork, oh, it does say pie. Is this the place that has the pies? Oh, they are. They're over there. Look. Oh, I can see them. You know what? I'll get a fish and chips and a pie. Let's go. There we go. Mum's chicken burger.
Pretty damn good.
we're just looking at the reviews for this place. I mean, it seems like, I don't know if this the whole market or just this, I don't know what reviews we're looking at, but either way, a lot of people on there from the UK bragging about how this place somehow better fish and chips at home, which big call. Big call. I don't know if that's the truth, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to tell you. Maybe the people that came here and said that just had a shit local chippy. I don't know, but they're talking big game about this place. This tiny. I mean, this whole market is what I was thinking we were going to do, but now we're just kind of just reduced down to this one here, the Market Cafe. You know, but fuck it, mate. Trying to get a video out every day. What do you want me to do, mate? I think I'm out there on jet skis and driving Ferraris and stuff every day. I'll tell you what you can get, and you fucking be grateful. Fish and chips with the curry sauce. Oh yes, thank you so much. Oh, I got wedges. And fucking.
Oh, and your pie.
And the pie, yeah. Perfect, thank you. Pork pie with the gravy. Thank you so much for hooking us up. Go on, Mum, get the pickies in. Oh, let's check this out. Let's go. Oh, the curry sauce is actually fucking good. Really good.
Curried sauce on the pie would be good.
I got a gravy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's fucking good curry sauce. Holy shit, bro, that's good curry sauce. I made up Mobies wanting to pay this guy to find out the curry sauce recipe from the fucking spice bag, mate. Oh, please. Let's cut these dogs right in half and have a look here. Boom. Oh. Chicken burger cross section. Hang on. I mean, everything's looking and tasting pretty fucking good so far. This is sick. What a find. Nothing wrong with Moby's Spice Bag. It's still one of the best things on the island. But they need to... This is added a whole nother layer to the curry sauce game now. I know what you're thinking. What would you know, you fucking Aussie bastard? Convict.
We put onion on a chicken burger. But oh my God, it's actually...
Plenty of people.
No, they don't.
I don't know.
On a normal burger you would, not on a chicken burger.
No, the cover sauce, oh my God.
Hey?
Oh my God. Just give me the... Mate, I'll stab you. Alright, before I get too full, enter the pork pie. I don't think I've ever had a pork pie in my life. Get a better look at the dog. Hey? I mean, let's raw dog, no gravy first.
That look.
Hang on. I mean, maybe they're better in the mornings when they're fresh. I don't know. Respectfully. But maybe this is what English pies are, but this is just like a rissole in a pie.
I'm sure someone will tell you.
Well,
I can say it, yeah.
no. Maybe that's, I don't know, maybe that's good for you guys, but it's not what I thought. But I don't know, it's right. I'm gonna eat it. It's just that, bro, what do you want me to do? I'm from Australia, my pie standard is through the roof. That's all we got. Pies and steaks and lamingtons.
Lamington's not even Australian.
Pavlova, Farlap, Dan Hooker, Mark Hunt, also another fucking classic Aussie. Fish and chips, amazing. Curry sauce, amazing. Pork pie, meh. Anything else, I'll let you know if and when I get it. How's the chicken burger? Good? The gravy's actually good too. But these, yeah. Yeah.
Cut a bit off.
This pork pie couldn't be really good. You're not trying to bit, unfortunately, unless you want that.
It's mainly the pork that I wanted to try, I suppose.
It's not bad. It's not terrible. It's like a nice rissole, pork rissole. I mean, but having that in a pie is just like I don't know. For me, weird, but that's right. I still ate it, so it's not terrible.
That's how it's meant to be.
It's okay, traditional. Trust the pommies to fuck something up. Just leave it to us, mate.
We could do a traditional beef one and just put a beef rissole in there.
Maybe, yeah. Head over there and blow your mind, open up my own pie shop. Tell you what, literally just import smoked cheese pies from back home. Then probably get a couple from New Zealand because the pies in New Zealand is way better, right? Isn't that how it works? Overall, that was amazing. I would come back if I'm ever craving fish and chips. I didn't come here knowing I'm going to get that, but now I know where I can get good fish and chips. Whenever I'm feeling like it, this is where I'm coming because I have tried one other spot. I didn't video it. I just went there because I felt like it one day. Horrible. Most disgusting thing I've had in my life, and I'm not going to out them because the defamation laws here are crazy. But this one, the Market Cafe at Bophut Market. I'll put the link in the description, or I'll forget, and you just have to fucking Google it yourself. It's fucking good. Add it to your list, please. Either way, I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.
See ya.